I remember one time, it was the year 2020, we were in Bali. One afternoon, while I was enjoying the breeze of the place where we were staying, I heard a sound at the back. And usually sa isang compound, merong 5 houses dyan. And I went to take a look. Anong meron doon? May narinig ako something, parang shh, gano'n. And then lo and behold, I saw a man sharpening his bolo. But what he was doing was not just sharpening. It was like a performance. The way he moved, it was slow, it was precise, it was rhythmic. Parang nanonood ka ng art in motion. And what caught me by surprise was mga libro beside him. That was part of the creative chaos in the backyard. And I started to struck up a conversation. Nagpakilala ako. We talked about the books. And we talked about the bolo. I was there in Bali, but my mind wandered back to my hometown in Kibungan. Because his stories reminded me of how we used that bunang to also gather firewood, to chop logs, to clear the the kaingin, so that we could plant kamote and other crops. And so we're telling stories, and there I was marveling at the beauty of that place, of that island in Indonesia. And yet I found myself delighted to meet this man. Ngakas na nga ordinaryo. A man who is hidden from the view. A man who works the land, the soil. A man who provides for his family. A man in his quiet, silent way is contributing to the economy of the nation. Yet his work was often ignored. Why? It is not so flashy as the bright yellow sun. It is not a spectacle. And mga kapatid, sa series na ito, 9 to 5, we've been talking about work. How your work can become holy regardless of the size, regardless of yung platform, regardless of how visible it is. You have to know this na ulitin ko, kahit parang ordinaryo yan, you can offer that to the King of Kings, to the greatest of all. And His name is Jesus. Siya din ay parang ordinaryong worker noon before his public ministry of healing, of preaching. He worked. And sa kanyang pagtrabaho, He sanctified work. Pinasanto na ang trabaho. And so today, wherever you are, whatever you do, I want you to meet God. I want you to offer your work to Him. Whether you are behind a desk, whether you're in a classroom, whether you're in a farm, whether you're at home or in a store or on the road, wherever you are, your work can be your worship. Your work can be your offering. Because here's the fact, 99% of our work is hidden. Di nakikita, pero ulitin ko, nakikita yan ni Lord. So I encourage you to keep working, to keep serving, to keep praising, because our model is Jesus, the one who came down on earth to serve